stayed open today, so that's awesome. Gonna come out here, clean up some line and some lures. There's a lot out here. There we go. My gloves are pretty beat up from this spring. Gotta fix them up or get some new ones, that's for sure.
Yeah. Oh, big water. That's huge. Whoa. Oh. Yeah.
I'm gonna go to a different spot. Well, today's my lucky day. I found $1. Go in the basket with all the other dollars. Over by the Hattie Street Bridge now. I'm gonna come check out that area over here. Maybe go out a little further. Current's not too bad.